The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, Dearborn County, Switzerland County, Central Carroll County, Central Kenton County, Boone County, Gallatin County, Western Hamilton County, until 1 a.m. At 12:16 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Eve, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for southeast Indiana, southwestern Ohio, and far northern Kentucky. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Dillsboro, Carrollton, Florence, Death, Ryle, Cold Springs, Big Bone Lick, Bright, Aurora, Beef, Miami Heights, Guilford, Quercus Grove, Hidden Valley, East Ridge, Warsaw, Blue Jay, Lawrenceburg, Logan, and New Haven. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 44 and 46, in between mile markers 60 and 77, I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 12, I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 170 and 183.